Elementary, we had Mr. Brad Wheeler come speak to us today. He read The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss, whose real name is Theodore S. Geisel. It was really fun to have him read Dr. Seuss to us today. It was very kind of him.
Too wet to go out, too cold to play ball, so we sat in the house and we did nothing at all.
Today is Dr. Seuss's birthday, so we read books about him. It was fun because he's a Cobb County School Board member, and it was kind of an honor to meet him.
If you learn to read really well, my job, which is learning at the moment, will be very easy for me.
Then Sally and I did not know what to say. Our mother was out of the house for the day.
In our school, we have a saying, learn to read, read to learn. I think it was nice that he took his time to come and read to us because he has a lot of work to do working in the Cobb County Board.
I enjoy coming out to our schools and seeing our kids, and consider it an honor to be able to do that. I asked my own son if he remembered when he was in school these things, and he did. And if I can help any way that some kid maybe learns to read a book better or increase their knowledge, I'll be glad to do that.
From Cobb Ed TV, this is Mia from Dell Elementary.